Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, let's get to that. Channel shout out. Just realized I forgot to pull my previous drawings. Get a quick premix. Some of these seem like they're really clumping. You can't have clumping. Everyone gets a fair chance. Backyard Custom Knives. They got Eddie. And I do have a sticker for him. I'm scanning my board. Oh, there it is. He's actually all the way at the top. I haven't seen a video from you in a while, brother, so I hope you're alright. I don't know if you're busy, working. Maybe you just got tired of YouTube. But let me zoom in on the sticker. Right. So as you can see, he's up at the top of the board. Backyard Custom Knives. Right here next to M.I. Woodsman, Carolina Chris Outdoors. He's got a second smaller sticker. And then right next to James G Outdoors. Haven't seen you for a while, brother. Kathleen Strain. Yeah, good dude. Hope you're doing alright, brother. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.